How to make writing a habit. If you want to earn money by providing writing services, it's critical that you write as quickly and as efficiently as possible. The best way to do that is to make writing a habit, something you do every day no matter what. In this article, we're going to look at several strategies for accomplishing this. There's really no secret to this process. It's really just a matter of willpower and motivation. You need to sit down and write every day, no matter what. If you have a project you're working on for a client, that makes it easier to do, but what if you don't have anything specific on your plate? Then you need to write something for your own use, or even something that will never get used at all. Every November there's an event called NaNoWriMo, or National Novel Writing Month. The goal for participants is to write an entire novel over the course of 1 month. The word count to reach that goal is 55,000 words in total, just short of 2,000 words a day. The idea is that by buckling down and writing every single day, the process will get easier, and by the end of the month it will become a habit. This is the same process you should take when providing writing services to other internet marketers. It doesn't even have to be 2,000 words a day. Maybe you just write one 500-word article each and every day, whether you have a client project on the go or not. Post it to your blog, submit it to eZine Articles or another article directory, offer it to other bloggers as a guest post, or whatever you want to do with it. The point is to write. If you can keep this up for 30 days or more, it will become a habit and you won't have to get yourself all motivated to write like you might have to do now. Even best-selling authors like Stephen King follow this process. In most cases, they're not necessarily better at writing, they're just better at focusing on getting it done. It can also help to have a consistent process for writing. Designate a time and place to do it. Choose tools that you enjoy using. Maybe listen to music, have the TV on in the background, or whatever other tricks help you to get the words onto paper.